Hey guys, it's Mariah the Panda Corn God, and I know I changed my name to Mariah the Panda Corn God. It's no longer Candy Lover 956, and don't forget to like and subscribe to join the Panda Corn family. Let's get right into the video. Did you know this guy got trapped in, he trapped himself inside of a washing machine. Never do this at home, because if you ever heard the dumb ways to die, just
take your helmet off in outer space. Use a clothes dryer as a hiding place. Dumb ways to die.
Did you know this guy actually jumped into oil? Blackest man on earth. Did you know this guy puts his hand into acid? Acid.
Yeah, acid.
This is what it does to the spoon.
That in here.
That spoon's metal.
Here. Wow, that is strong. Okay. Right down in there.
Yeah.
Looks like that spoon is just about gone.
Never do this. Ever. Or you will die. He's enjoying it. Oh.
Okay, wow. Ooh, that.
Since we're talking about people doing weird stuff like putting their hand inside of acid, somebody jumps in a pool of liquid nitrogen. The kind of nitrogen that will burn, not burn you, that will make sure you freeze to death.
The whole bowl? Yeah.
Did you know guy dies after potentially falling into a active meat grinder? Don't worry, this is not graphic. It does not show anything graphic. But this is straight up, stupid.
A man has died after he fell into an Oregon meat processing plant on Saturday night. 41-year-old cleaner Hugo Avalos Channon was at work shortly before midnight at Interstate Meat Distributors in Clackamas County. He and other employees of DCS Sanitation Management were cleaning the plant's equipment. It's believed Channon climbed onto a running meat blender before he slipped and fell in. Why he attempted to work while the machine was still running is unclear. Workmates heard the accident and raced to hit the emergency stop button in the hope of saving his life. but they were too late. Channon died almost instantly. The fire...
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do for my next video. I will let this little video run for a little bit. So, hope you enjoy. I will try to be doing at least 2 videos a week. Bye!